Hello, my name is Robin and I've been teaching English for more than 7 years to students like you. I have been helping students from beginner to advanced level improve their English. I teach both kids and adults. I use TPR, look, rewards, and many more. I love traveling, exploring, and learning from different cultures. I would like to help you improve and make progress in your learning. From phonics, grammar, pronunciation, business English, travel English, interview preparation, IELTS preparation, GCSE preparation, and many, many more. I have already completed my TEFL and my TESOL certificate, so you're in good hands. Learn with me and let's make English a fun and easy language. See ya!